The connections activity allows you to create a series of cards that have a common connection. The connection is determined by the activity prompt. We'll be building that activity in this video. First, as all of our activities, we can expand the window so that we can see more of the cards that we're building. We'll then click in the activity prompt and type in the prompt or the description of how the cards have a connection. We're going to be selecting designers who work with media in instructional design. Our students may get some of it right and some of it wrong. We can determine whether we're going to allow partial credit or not. We then click on the plus sign to add a card. And notice that we can drag and drop a card, or we can select a card from a local file or from our cloud. I'm now ready to bring in my first card. I then type in the alternative text that I'll use for that particular image. I then choose whether or not the answer is correct, and I can even put in a text for this card. I'll then click on back, and I'm ready to add my next card. I can select the card from my local storage, and I'll choose local storage in this example. I'll navigate to where I have images stored, and then I'll select the card that I want to use. I must put in the alt text for the card, and I can even again put in the text for the card if I choose to. This is a correct answer, so I'll select that and I click on back. I continue to add cards. Notice as the developer of this activity, you can see what are correct and what is incorrect because of the green checkboxes. Once you have created all of the cards for this activity, we could then set a point value, determine whether or not we want students to be able to retry. Would we like to show the students the correct answers, and do we want sounds to appear? We'll then go to our preview so we can see what it's going to look like for our students. They would then select the cards that match the criteria, check their answer, and they get immediate feedback. I'll close the preview. Now we're ready to go to our activity properties. We're going to have this display in our lesson as an image, and I'll give it a title. I'll call it Connect the Designers. I'll click on back and click OK. Thank you.